Hi, good morning, traders. Today is the 20th of September, 9:45 a.m. We are 95 minutes into the trading session. So let's do our weekly stock selection and outlook. So I have got 3 alerts notified through the system because they trigger some of my criteria. So I have set some alerts over here waiting for all these stocks to trigger. So the first 3 of today, Raffles Medical. Okay, so you can see Raffles Medical. I'll start with the Singapore stock, right? Raffles Medical. You can see that it was going up on increasing volume. So today's pullback. Okay, overnight on Friday, last Friday, Wall Street was down quite a bit, about 200 over points in Nasdaq, which is a big deal, and also in Dow Jones. But it is the triple witching. So a lot of options, derivatives were expiring. You anticipate big movement in the underlying. Okay, so we do expect knee-jerk reaction in the morning session. So it is more important for the rest of the day that we see low volume selling, or it will be better if we can close higher by the end of the day. So Raffles Medical, the first alert of the day, you can see that it is still undergoing this downtrend line. It is still under what we classify as downtrend. However, volume picking up, and you are looking at the first pullback after 3 white candles. All right, so we are looking at Raffles Medical because of the COVID swaps in Singapore, COVID test in Singapore, and also their Shanghai operation. So can it break the downtrend? So it will always be good to see a downtrending stock break the downtrend line and a new trend will establish itself. But you also do not want to discount that it can go into a sideways. Okay, after it break this downtrend, it can also mutate into a sideways direction. Okay, so if it goes into a sideways direction, just like what you saw in DBS, okay, let me take a look at, yes, there you go, DBS. You can see DBS is also going through a sideways. So sideways is not that bearish. Okay, you can double check on the weekly chart and see if it looks bearish to you. Okay, so right now we do not see any bearish indication on the weekly chart. So chances are it can either swing sideways or go up. Very unlikely it will crash. Okay, it will crash. It's very unlikely. Raffles Medical, yeah. Okay, so ranking wise, it's got 1 star in the ranking. That is because it only have got 1 big earnings jump and then subsequently starts to normalize. So the earnings ranking is not the highest. Okay, and other than that, debt level, financial health check, everything is looking pretty normal. Nothing to be warned about. Let me see any other indication right here. Okay, so that is all for the information on Raffles Medical. Right, so if it goes into a sideways range, okay, it could be just a uptrending stock consolidating for the next phase up, next leg up. It has went up quite a lot from 115 all the way to 149. So taking a break is normal. Okay, it's normal. So next stock for Singapore, Heeton. So let's take a look at Heeton. Now, Heeton has got a big pullback, and this is not one stock that I'll be interested to trade because you can see the candles, the volume are not very, it's not very, how to put it, conducive for trading, for technical trading or investment. I do not know. The low interest in the stock is something that you need to be aware of. Okay, so this is not going to move much. So let's skip. So the live alerts today for Singapore stock, only Raffles Medical and Heeton. And you can go and take a look at the quotes right now. Okay, so this software ESP Master Pro gives us a lot of real-time information. It is delayed by 15 minutes though. So you can have a look at what is moving in the stock market in Singapore. You've got international cement, metal, skip. All these less than 10 cent stock usually is not my forte. So Capital Land Investment first listed today. So let's give it more history to trade, and then we can come back to look at it if it's a good time to latch onto it. Otherwise, you can see a top volume. There isn't anything of movement of interest. Mapletree Logistics. Now, this is a good one. Okay. Now, this kind of risk, you need to buy at the low. Buy at the low. Now it's soon on the way up. This is very bullish. Okay. It will continue to go up for one reason, because the dividend, the DPU payout by Mapletree Logistics has been increasing every year. So with that, the share price will move up because more demand for the units. Okay, so it is at this inflection point of $2.12, the resistance level. If can break today, it will challenge 216 and then it will reach the blue sky. Blue sky means no overhang shareholder and the share can continue to trend like this. You see, break the all-time high and then continue to trend. Right, so that's for Mapletree Logistics. Nothing else on the list of interest. Okay, so Singapore market now undergoing a knee-jerk reaction to what happened overnight in Dow Jones last Friday, and the stock prices are now ding-donging between a tiny range. Semiconductor stock is still there. It hasn't made a big move yet. Semiconductor stock. Let's see AEM. Now AEM has a big resistance breakout last week at 416 level, where my alert line is. So once it break out, okay, you can check the trading volume. A is very high. So this is a very bullish technical breakout. So where is the price objective? Okay, the very easy way to look at the price objective is resistance level. So you can see there's a very big resistance over here. Not very big, sorry, I changed my word. A very clear resistance over here, about 460. Okay, so can it trade all the way to 460 in 1 week, 2 weeks? Nobody knows. Let's just observe. You go to the weekly chart, you can also see that AEM is very bullish. Okay, there are more white candles than black candles, and the volume of the white candles are always higher than the black candle. So if this pattern changes going forward in September, October, then we have to beware. Otherwise, currently AEM chart is bullish. Okay, so you can do the same analysis on the Frankens, on the UMS, okay, even on Grand Venture as well. Right, so that is the Singapore stocks. Let us go to the Bursa stock under the live alerts. Let's see DNEX, the one and only, because even Bursa stock is currently undergoing a knee-jerk reaction to the Dow Jones, okay, to the US market. So this is DNEX. Okay, DNEX made a very important breakout last week at 77 cents breakout. So currently it is pulling back. RTS may happen on DNEX, so watch out for it. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart though, okay guys, weekly chart though, you can see this is a downtrend line. So it has broken out, but it's not pulled back. Now the broken out of the downtrend line, trading volume on the daily chart is high, but on the weekly chart, you have to appreciate that this is not a very high volume. It will be wonderful if this week DNEX continue to trade higher and gives you a higher volume than last week. Oh, as we are talking, FPI alert triggered. See my horizontal line alert trigger on FPI, which means that FPI has made a very important move. Okay, later we'll go to FPI. Let's talk about DNEX first. So DNEX, once again, by this Friday, if you can trade into the 80 cents level, it will be bullish. So currently, pullback RTS is expected on DNEX. Okay, so let's see whether you will do a RTS. It is common for a breakout of the resistance to pull back and retest as a support. Okay, so that's for DNEX and FPI. Let's take a look. Okay, FPI has broken the minor support at 395 last week. Trading volume is very heavy on this break. So today it has clawed back up to reclaim 395, but transaction volume is still on the low side. Okay, so usually in these cases, I will wait for more candles to confirm the bullishness of the retest. Okay, if the retest with higher volume, then to me, this is a reversal. Like in every uptrend, right? You see, let me show you. In every uptrend, okay, there will be a one-day reversal or a few days reversal, okay, for the trend to go back up to resume. So it is what it is doing now. This is what it is doing now. Okay, it has to reverse the selling, and if the reversal of selling comes with high volume, it is more bullish. Now, this FPI is a good stock, guys. Take a look at the ranking. 3-star ranking. Hey, I didn't cover the DNEX. DNEX is also 3-star ranking. Good company is the best. Okay, it's the best. So today, if you are trading, investing, and you don't know whether your company is good or bad, okay, you are new, this can help you guys. You avoid the pitfalls in the stock market, avoid lousy companies, then your journey will be 50% easier. Correct or not? Right? So out of 10 stock, if you only choose the better companies, your problem solved by 50%. Oh, so this is FBI. Can you see the health check also all very good, very bullish, and earnings trend are all going up. Debt is coming down. Fantastic company. Oh, so we are waiting for the technical sign to buy low in this stock. Always buy low, sell high, guys. Buy low, sell high. To trade breakout is to buy high, you hope to sell higher. To trade trend, you should be buying low, sell high. Okay, so this is FBI, very bullish stock. Let's take a look at the top volume this week for Bursa. Not this week, on Monday. Emico, I think I talked about this stock in the previous week. Now, this stock totally is a very speculative play. You can see the technical chart is wonderful. Now, before it flies up, you could see it was consolidating on, before it flies up, it was consolidating on low volume. Okay, after this spike up. There's another, a lot of stocks, guys, a lot of stock has this candle on their chart. Okay, and they refuse to go lower, consolidating before it flies up again. I can quote you some example like high tech as well. Okay, high tech, you can see there is a selling. Okay, there is selling. Then it consolidated from July, August, September, boom, fly up again. Okay, that's high tech, and I think Kobe did the same. Kobe did the same. There you go. Okay, and then go quiet for a few sessions before it go into reclaim the new high. So that is so that is the pattern that we see right now. Okay, for all these stock. Where am I? Emico. Okay, let's come back to Emico. So Emico already fly up. So for me, I will not chase. Okay, I will not chase. Anyway, this stock is not my cup of tea because it doesn't have the ranking, and you can see that it is making losses. It is making losses, a loss-making company in terms of EPS, right? So therefore, I am not interested in company that doesn't have a high ranking. Now you see, stocks can go up. All stocks have a chance to go up. So either they can go up because of the fundamental reason that the company is a strong company, good company, or it can go up because of speculation. Now, this stock is speculation. So we don't know what's the story yet. Let us just chill and see what happens next. Okay, K&M, DNEX. DNEX is top 3 today as per this morning. Now, okay, Emico, you can also click on this blue link over here to see what other industry is the same as Emico. So Emico, you can see the cap, 78.5 million. So guys, if you're interested in speculation, okay, you go for market cap that is lower than 100 million, right? It will fly them fast. Okay, like PINEAPP, AHB. Okay, if you go in, let's take a look at the chart. PINEAPP. Okay, PINEAPP is still down, stay down, so don't touch. And then you look for anything that is bullish. This one, right? Okay, you can see it has the same pattern as the just now I was showing you Kobe, right? Is it Kobe? I think so. Sorry, high tech. So it went up. Consolidate. So you see, some stocks will go up, some stock will stay down. So this stock, we do not know when it will finish consolidation, but at least you know it has earnings. This stock earnings is coming back up. In Cantonese, we call this Ham Yu Fan San. That means it's the worst in the company earnings was Q4 2020, and it has started to climb back up. Okay, started to climb back and turn profitable in Q3. So in Q4 earnings, if you report further growth in their earnings, revenue and net income, then this stock can go up. Go up by how much? Take a look at the pitch table. Okay, this is PINEAPP. So this is the business support industry. So you can see the rest of the stocks over here. AHB, this chart is not interesting. So out of the 1, 2, 3, 4 stock, Emico and PINEAPP has got the best looking chart technically. Okay, and you talk about earnings, PINEAPP earnings is better. So it is a matter of patience. If you are interested in PINEAPP, maybe you have to look into the quarterly earnings report and understand the business. Okay, what is the catalyst that propel the stock forward? Right, so that is for this particular industry. And what else are we looking at this morning? ENCROP, 8.5% up. What is this company? Construction and engineering. Whoa. Okay, as you know, we are now into NRP, so a lot of industry is able to operate, and ENCROP is one of them. Okay, so ENCROP is not the best of the construction company. So for those of you who are new to investment, you may be wondering, why is this stock going up so strongly despite not having the best of the fundamentals? Okay, it is because I mentioned two categories of stock. One will go up because of fundamental reason. The other one go up because of speculation. Okay, you need to differentiate between the two. So let's take a look at the industry. ARBB triggered, okay, triggered, a new alert comes in. Later I will take a look at it. So this is the list of construction companies. So you can go down the list, okay, and look for the next one that has got a very beautiful chart. So ENCROP, I think should be, okay, let's check out the market cap, 140 million. Okay, market cap 140 million. Now, once again, if you missed my earlier statement, let me repeat again. Market cap low, stock fly very fast. Okay, but it is the same for coming down. Coming down, it will be just as fast. So if you cannot withstand this kind of volatility, you go for good companies with a decent size market cap, then the movement will be more stable. Okay, will be more stable. So what are, okay, like GDB is always a good construction company. It is now pulling back. Okay, chart is also not very pleasant. Chart is also not very bullish yet, so not the best one to pick. Maybe let's take a look at Taiko Gamuda. So a lot of construction company, those with better earnings are all pulling back. This industry I shall not touch yet. Okay, I shall not touch. And the other two industry that I think it is not bullish yet are the steel and the gloves. Okay, the steel and the gloves. So these two has got fundamental catalysts driving down the prices. So let's take a look at how is TOPGLOV doing today. Everybody was stunned. Oh, sorry, this is the Singapore one. TOPGLOV KL. Yep, it's still on the way down. Hey guys, this one once it broke the 428, it is very bad. You know, once it broke the 428 in July, right, it was very bad because this is the ultimate support level, 428 for TOPGLOV. Once it break, right, you can see there's a retest STR, support turn resistance right here, and it failed. So this one, right, is a very bearish technical sign for TOPGLOV back in July. So jangan touch. Jangan touch. And you can see SUPERMX, all of them should be falling like a tree. There you go. Okay, so therefore gloves don't touch. Sorry. I mean, gloves are still bearish. Steel is also bearish. So these two industry I will jangan touch first. Okay, so with that, I have done my roundup for this Monday morning. Hope I have given you some ideas, and also this software can help you if you are new. You want to know more about this software? Join my weekly webinar on Tuesday and Wednesday nights, 8 p.m. YouTube live, Facebook live. Come and join me. If you have any other question, I would love to hear your comments on these stocks that we have just covered. So feel free to interact at the comment section, and also tell me what kind of videos would you like. Okay, then maybe we can prepare something that you are looking for and also possibly help you in your trading and your investment. Okay, guys, so this is Yi Hua signing out, and I will see you on Tuesday and Wednesday night. Bye.